naturalist Jamaican home cooking. Did you know that oxtail is the most sought after Jamaican recipe? In this video, I'm going to show you how to cook real Jamaican oxtail. Come make we bubble a pot. So right now we're going to wash the oxtail with vinegar and lime juice. So we're going to put some oxtail seasoning. Going to put some onion powder. So we're going to put some flavor enhancer. Going to add some garlic powder. We're going to add some garlic mixed with scallion and allspice. We're going to add some complete seasoning. We're going to add oxtail and stew seasoning. Soy sauce. Adobo seasoning. Some salt. Going to add some black pepper. Going to add some paprika. So we're rubbing the seasoning in. We're going to add some olive oil to the frying pan. Now we're going to fry the oxtail first. Yes, so we're going to add the water with the seasoning to the oxtail. Add the garlic to the pot. So we're going to put some pimento seed and bay leaf in the pot. Cutting up scallion, cutting up the bell pepper, cutting up onion, cutting up carrot, adding thyme. Now we're going to add the seasoning to the pot. Going to cover it, let it stew. Add in the cornstarch to thicken the gravy. Add the butter bean. So oxtail is finished, looking nice and juicy.